Let me show you how to blur your background videos just like the one you're watching right now on my screen. So if you take a look at the background of this particular video, you see how blurred it is. You see that there are flowers behind, but it is so blurred. I'm going to show you a practical steps on how to achieve something like this using your smartphone and the CapCut application. Now, let me show you how to do that. Now, if you're new on this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video so that YouTube will get it to more persons, and do not forget to click on notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. Now, let's dive in and let me show you how to get it done. So the first thing you want to do is to go to open your CapCut just as you're seeing right now, and I'm going to add new video. Okay, so I have the very first video, which is about 44 seconds, right? So I'm going to click on it, 44 seconds, and I'm going
So
to
there, I
click
want
on
to ask
add.
you.
So the first thing I want to do is right here, I'm going to export this particular video as it is first. I'm going to export it. So when I come here, I just click on this export. I click on export and it's going to export 100%. Is done. The next thing I want to do is to export it when it is blurred. So I'm going to click on the video and I'm going to click on effect. I go to video effects and I'm going to look for blur. So you can see blur right here. Just in case you can't find blur, just come here to the search button and you're going to search for blur. So because I can find it here, I just easily click on blur and you see that the video
So there,
is
I want to
blurred
ask you because
immediately.
in one of
So I click on it, right? So you see that my video is now blurred. So what I'm going to do next is to export this particular video again. I'm exporting this particular one that is blurred. So I have two different videos, the original video that is not blurred and the video that is blurred, right? So that is where the magic starts. So when I'm done exporting this particular one, I'm going to open a new video section, right? So I go back, I close this particular edit area and I'm going to say new video. So when I come to new video, I'm going to import the second video which is blurred, right? Which is this one you're seeing here now, the one that is blurred. So I import it and I'm going to add. Now the first thing I want to do is to reduce the volume because I don't want to conflict myself with the volume. So I click OK. Now I'm going to add an overlay of the second video that is not blurred. So I'm going to click on overlay, add overlay, and I'm going to bring the very first video that is not blurred, which you can see right here. So I click on import and I add. You can see now, right? So we have two videos. The first one that is blurred, which is at the back, and the second one which is not blurred, which is at the front, right? So you can see how the video actually looks in the first place. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure I expand it to fill in. You can see that it's showing me that this is the exact shape, that it has filled in the whole area. So I leave it, right? Now the next thing I want to do is to do the magic, which is the removing of the background. So when I click on my video like this, I'm going to scroll until when I have the background remover. When I see my background remover, I'm going to click on it. So okay, remove background. You can see it right here, remove PG, and I'm going to click on auto remover. So I click on auto remover and I'm going to click on OK. So you can see now I have removed the background. So it's taking a bit of time to get it done, to do the work properly. And so that's it. So the next thing I want to do is to play the video for you. So you see that the background
so
is
there, I
now
want to
looking
ask you
blurred
because in
while the
one of
person
our
there
unit
is
courses,
still showing.
this our course
So
manual they give
I would
to us.
love to also make sure that the video matches, that is, it starts from the same point and ends at the same point. So you can see right here, this is the starting and then this is the ending. So this is how to get your video background blurred using CapCut. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye for now.